If you're scrolling online and come across AGHomeOutlet.shop with its trendy layout, velvet cushions, quirky t-shirts, Aboriginal-style earrings, and cozy home decor, you might feel tempted to click buy now, but before you do, there's something you really need to know. This site might appear like a hidden gem for affordable and aesthetic products, but the truth behind the screen paints a very different picture. We took a deeper look into AGHomeOutlet.shop, and what we discovered raises serious concerns that every shopper should be aware of. First of all, the website claims to be a well-established business, but its domain was only registered in 2025, a huge red flag when it comes to transparency. A truly trusted store should have some history or at least show signs of long-term customer engagement, but AGHomeOutlet.shop doesn't provide any solid evidence of that. On top of that, the site is missing some of the most basic but important sections like an About Us page, privacy policy, return policy, and terms of service. Without these, shoppers are left with no idea who they're buying from, how their data will be used, or what happens if they need a refund or exchange. That's not all. There's no contact us page, no email address, no phone number, and absolutely no social media presence. This means if something goes wrong with your order, you're likely on your own. The lack of verified reviews on platforms like Trustpilot or any real customer feedback adds to the concern, making it hard to know if anyone has actually received a product from them. While we didn't find direct evidence proving it's a scam, the overall setup looks unprofessional, rushed, and suspiciously incomplete. This review isn't about calling the site a scam outright, but it's also not safe to call it legit. AGHomeOutlet.shop sits in a gray area that demands caution. So if you're thinking about ordering, we suggest holding off until this site shows more transparency and earns some trust the right way.